This is your main dashboard page when you log into the system. Don't worry, we will cover this page in other video module. At this time we will focus on how to submit your reports data. In the left side of the page, you will see the main menu navigation of the system. The menu contains three main categories: Sources, My Account, the Documents and Manuals. Open the Sources main category and click the Source Reports link. The Source Reports page is split into two tables. The first table contains the sources you have access to. Usually, you will see one source. The second table contains the reports you have permissions to access them. You can search for a specific report by typing its name in the search box and then click Search. The icons you see next to the report name depends on the user assigned permissions. The user with author permission will see all these icons, while the approval will see less icons. The first blue icon is the report information icon. It shows the report unique number or the SRID. It also shows some report name, code and metadata. The second green icon is the Excel template download icon. This Excel file will be used in the upload process after filling it with the needed data. The third and fourth icons are the upload icons. The first one is used to upload the Excel file and write it to the database directly. This is called instant upload, in which you have to wait until the uploading process finished. The second icon is used to upload the Excel file to the server and the system will write it to the database later as a night job service. In the second option, the night job, users don't need to wait until the writing process completes. The next icon is used to download the data you have uploaded before. You can select a specific period to download data or you can download data for all periods. The favorite button is the one with star icon. It used to make add a report to the list of favorite reports in dashboard page. The red cross icon is used for dynamic reports only. A dynamic report is the report with infinite number of rows added by the user. It does not contain specific number of items as in the static report. This red icon is used to empty a specific period from data. Finally, the approval button, which is used by the author and the approval. The author can verify the uploaded report data, while the approval can approve it. We will talk about each icon deeply later in these tutorials. To download the Excel template, click the green icon next to the report's name. Once downloading finished, open the Excel template file. This is the Excel template for the report, Outpatients Waiting Time to Meet the Physician. This is a static report, because it has a specific number of items under the specialty column. As you see, it has 27 items. At the top of the Excel template you will see your facility and the report names. The next lines show some important information related to the template. The download date is the date when you downloaded this template. This date is used to compare this template with the latest report modified date. If this date is older than the report's modified date, the system will prevent using this template anymore, and it will ask you to download the latest template again. This means you can still use this template while the report structure is not modified. Next is the SRID or the source report ID. This is the unique number of this report inside your source or facility. The same report will have a different number in different source. It's strongly recommended to provide this number when you ask for help or if you have a problem using the system. From this number the system administrator can get all the needed information to track your reports. The data period field is the first editable cell in the Excel template. This field is related to the report period below it. As you can see, this report is a yearly report, which means it needs to be filled each year. If you want to upload data for previous year, simply change the data period field with the desired year. Other available periods available in the system are monthly report, which means data must be filled each month. The following format should be provided for monthly reports. Half-yearly, which means data must be filled each 6 months. The following format is applied for half-yearly reports. Quarterly, which means data must be filled each 3 months. The following format is applied for quarterly reports. And finally, academic year periods, which applied to school reports only. The following format should be used for academic year reports. You must know that future values are not allowed. Means if the report must be entered yearly, then you can't enter report data for the current year because it's not finished yet. Or if the report period is monthly, you can't enter report data for the next month. Please double check the period you enter in this cell to avoid such mistakes. The final cell in the report information is called the filter. Filter is an optional field, means some and not all reports may contain one or more filter. Filter is a predefined list of options used to categorize the data entered for a report. For example, the following report has a filter called UAE Expat filter. This filter allows the author to fill data for 2 categories: Emirate people and non-Emirate people. If you have both categories applied in your facility, then you must submit the data twice for each category for the same period. Once you finish submitting both categories, you can verify and approve the period you submitted. So, the only 2 things you need to set up in the Excel template are the data period and the filter, if applied. Now you can start filling your actual data in the report fields. All reports in eSource system contain reports header. Each header cell has its own type and title. The report shown now contains headers categorized based on age groups. And each age group consists of male field and female field. The type of these header fields is number. Means you only enter number in the data cell. If you enter something rather than number, you will receive a data validation error from Excel. The error message contains the valid range of data must entered. Numbers are not the only types available in eSource. Other types of data will be described shortly. This is an Excel template file for dynamic report. As you recall, dynamic report doesn't contain predefined items as in the static report we saw before. This report is called Emirate Patients Data, is one of 3 reports related to health tourism sector related to Dubai Health Authority or DHA. These 3 reports introduced in 2018 while launching the new eSource system. We will describe these new 3 reports in other videos. For now I need you to focus on the Excel information section. As you can see, there is a new option called Data Write. This option is set by default to append to previous data. This means if you upload this file to the server, then it will add these new records to the already exists records uploaded before. There is another option called Overwrite existing data. As the name suggests, when you upload the file to the server, it will delete the previously added records and insert the uploaded records as new data. Unlike the static reports, dynamic report header may contain different type of fields. As you can see, field could be a select from drop-down list of predefined data, like there, type of visit, field. Also a field could be date, means it must contain only date with format of month/day/year. Other field types could be select from big data, like the nationalities field, where you must add a country code from a predefined lookup list. Field types could also be decimal numbers, human age, or Emirate ID format number. That's it for now. In the upcoming videos, we will talk more about the health tourism reports provided by Dubai Health Authority. Then we will show you how to upload the Excel template to the server. Thank you.